myself to hold my hand.
Welcome back to my channel. I am here with a new grocery haul video. I have my Target haul waiting for you. I spent $3.20 and 26 cents. Quite a bit, guys. I know. So I'm going to turn you around now and show you what I got. All right, so I'm in the process of cleaning the basement up. I explained like how my cat, the one I had to get rid of, Lucy, so she made quite a bit of mess. So I'm kind of like going to be mopping in sections and stuff. So I'm not using my good. This is like to replace the ones that I'm going to be using because I know that it's going to be a dirty mess down there. So, and plus it's like concrete floor. So it's even more of a mess, and who knows when it was mopped. So anyways, I got these to replace the ones I'm going to ruin. I did get two, well, it's like 6 bunches basically. This is for dinner tonight. It's a Thursday, so normally I don't like cook much or cook. It's like leftovers and stuff, but my nephew's coming over this evening, so I'm going to make like a crock pot meal. And anyways, yeah. So I got this finery. It's not another cherry. It smells really good. I was a huge fan of cherry vanilla, and I don't know if Caitlin's going to think it's close to it, but I think it smells pretty darn close. Caitlin wanted some Olipop, so I bought her a can. I did get Honey Nut Cheerios and the multi-grain. I think it was like buy one, get one, maybe like half off or 25% off or something like that. I got 4 cans of French style green beans, 4 of the corn, and I got a bottle of Parmesan garlic wing sauce. This is what's going to go in the crock pot, along with chicken breast, cream cheese, Parmesan cheese, heavy whipping cream. So yeah, yummy. For a trunk or treat for Girl Scouts, Kayla will not be attending, nor I, but I did need to give some Halloween, for trick-or-treating. So they were buy one, get one free. So I don't know if I'm just gonna probably give one bag, because usually like we have a lot. So I got Blow Pops and I got Sour Patch Kids. I did get 2 popcorners. I think these for sure were buy one, get one half off. I could have sworn. I got a party size of Tostitos, the Good and Gather dark chocolate peanut butter bars for Caitlin and I. My husband now eats the Junkless, so I got him the chocolate chip one, and then I got the peanut butter one for myself. Panty liners. I need mascara again. Like, I don't know what is going on and why mine keeps drying out so quickly. I don't like leave it open or anything. So I don't know. I'm going through mascara like crazy. For a pet drive that we're doing for Girl Scouts, I got milk bones for dogs and, well, popcorn, microwave popcorn. And then I got these little toys for the kitties. I didn't know what to give them for food wise. So I don't know. I just decided to get them little toys. Got 3 pimple patches for the kids. And then I got some coconut waters. I got 2 coconut waters and 1 with pineapple. My husband said this one is gross, so I'm hoping my son will like it. I got 4-pack of paper towels, and I got cat sand in a tub here. 1 gallon of 1% milk. 2 zero sugar hazelnuts. Kayla needed a new razor, so we went with the Venus, and I think it connects onto the shower. Has 2 extra heads. Got panty liners, cotton balls. Here's the dip for the tortilla chips, and I grabbed 1 more Mrs. Meyer's hand soap. For the basement, I got some Fabuloso. I got the watermelon scent. Smells really good. Body wash for my son. Some more Method laundry detergent. We're running low. This is for tonight. I got the penne from Barilla. Got the Duo seedless grapes. Caribou coffee. I got 2 small half and halves, which were supposed to be heavy whipping cream. My husband just went and got me heavy whipping cream. Plain cream cheese, and I got Parmesan. And then I did get a Christmas gift, but I am hiding that from Miss Kayla because I am not going to share that right now. I need to like get my other hauls, not other hauls. I need to get my update, like my shopping cart. And I'm going to Costco actually tomorrow to see what I can get that I would get normally at Sam's. I accidentally renewed it on its own, so I guess I'm stuck with Costco for another year. So yeah, It's not too bad. I just need to utilize it better. So anyway, stay tuned for the rest of my hauls. Hope you guys are having a good week and weekend. All right, I am back with my Costco haul. Didn't get much, guys. There's like nothing there, I swear. So I spent $114.04. I'm going to turn you around and show you what I got. So I got a bag of red potatoes. I made this really yummy potato dish with zucchini on the stove. It was really good. So I got some more. We found the chocolate croissants, so we had to get those. I was going to get, what brand is it? Kerrygold, but it was like $16. So I got this grass-fed butter. It's fine. Got two things of grapes, green and red. Well, I guess now since I've seen there's Christmas presents here, I got two paint your own ceramics. They're the Hello Kitty ones for both of my girls. Connor, I think, ate some of the rotisserie chicken, so I got some rotisserie chicken. And then is a thing of toilet paper, and that was $114.04. So I have not done any of my meal planning or anything yet. So I will show my Sam's and Walmart haul when I decide to do that. So tonight I'm doing like a wine tasting with one of my best friends and my daughter. So that should be fun. So that's all I'm concentrating on tonight. So stay tuned for those other hauls. All right, just received my Walmart delivery. Not very big at all. I spent like $129. I got 1 gallon of 1% milk and a pulp-free Simply Orange. 2 things of Mountain Dew Zero Sugar. I got some extra pimple patches. These are the cheaper ones that the kids used before. They're like a lot cheaper. So I just got some extras. I did get some Granny Smith apples. I'm just checking to see. That one has a bruise, but it's not bad. I mean, they're pretty decent. Got 3 loofahs, a Hawaiian bread. I got her friends, Kayla's friends, some lip gloss. She wanted the same one, so I did get that for her as well. Got some chicken and maple breakfast sausages for Caitlin. 3 of my wee strawberries. I was trying out pads. Sam's does not have them where you can get it from their pickup order. So I decided to get some with my Walmart order, but they're expensive when you don't get it from Sam's. So I got like my regular brand, but I also wanted to try Walmart's just to see if like I like them, just because, you know, they are so expensive and they're a lot cheaper. This is Caitlin's favorite cracker, so I grabbed those for her. 2 boxes of rice-a-roni, cheddar broccoli. I grabbed a heavy whipping cream, more hazelnut zero sugar creamer, 6 bunches of broccoli, and they're really big and they actually look decent. 3 stacked sour cream for my son. 2 of the Sargento balance breaks for Caitlin. She likes to take these to work. We were out of sliced cheddar cheese. I got a chicken broth, flushable wipes, 2 packages of honey turkey breast for my husband, and garlic bread. And that was my small order. Yeah, so I am going to be picking up my Sam's Club really soon, and that was under $100 as well, because I did go to Costco, so I did get some things, but I didn't really need that much, so it is what it is, right? So stay tuned for that Sam's Club haul. All right, here is my small Sam's Club order. I got my husband his steak strips that he likes, 2 of the little bites for Kayla. My insurance is not covering my allergy meds, and it actually is like, they were covering it, and then all of a sudden I needed to pay like $14 for 90, but this is what I need, and it's 400 tablets for $14, so I am fine with that. It'll last a long time. And I got my son's Quest bars and flushable wipes. That's it, guys. That was $88. I feel like something might be missing from the pile, but I think that was it. But yeah, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, nope, 6 items. So yeah, that is it. So that concludes my haul. I will put my total right down here now. I hope that you enjoyed my haul. Sorry, I had to clean my phone really quick. Hope you enjoyed my hauls. Really, like, I don't know. I did a lot at Target, but I feel like everything else was not that bad. But then again, I feel like I'm also missing a lot of groceries. But I don't know. We had a lot of meat left over from last weekend. So I'm just going to make it work and try to make meals with what I have. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.